Hey everyone, happy Friday. We're going to talk today about some more tips to help you through this holiday season. Thanks for joining me. And again, as always, it's a pleasure to have you. This is Lynn from Holistic Health and Wellness, and we are going to just go through a few tips today that will help you to be more healthy through the holidays so that you'll feel more energetic, you won't feel overwhelmed, and just some easy tips that you can easily put into your Christmas meals, thoughts into the foods that you might be eating through the Christmas season to help you to be successful and not gain weight through the holidays. So, of course, we know that eating healthy through the holidays is a hard thing to do. Everywhere we go, there's stuff tempting us, and we want to eat everything in sight because some of these are our favorite Christmas things or favorite holiday things. Wouldn't be Thanksgiving or Christmas without some of these wonderful things that we have access to. But I'm going to give you a few swaps today that can help you. So very often we go somewhere, we have dips of some kind, maybe vegetables with the dip or other things. But generally the dips that we have, unless you go to the trouble of making it yourself, generally are not the healthiest. So what I would suggest is that you switch out and make your own dip, and you can do it with different flavors, but use as a base a Greek yogurt. It's nice and thick. You can add different things to it to flavor it, savory things. And then if you're using, say, a fruit dip and you've got apples and things like that, you can easily mix it up with some strawberries or some blueberries, put it into your NutriBullet or into a blender to blend it together so that you got a nice, healthy alternative to those fat dips that we tend to get from the stores. So that's number one. Number two, skip some of your alcoholic calories. So one way you can do that is to drink a wine spritzer instead of having a full glass of wine. You can go into the grocery store and buy some nice seltzer water, add it to your wine so that it still has a little kick to it, but it doesn't have the calories that wine itself might have. That's another thing that you can do. Let me see. Skip the dark meat. So when it comes to turkey, and I have to say my husband's favorite part of the turkey is having the dark meat, but it's not the healthiest. It's much healthier for you to eat the white meat of the turkey. If that's what your dinner is for Christmas, then try sticking to the white meat. That will be better for you. So skip the store-bought stuffing. And I know that everything nowadays is so much about convenience, but find a quick and easy recipe online, a healthy recipe for some dressing that you can make yourself so that you know what you're getting and you know you're getting a healthy alternative. And then, of course, the green bean casserole. We all love the green bean casserole, loaded with calories, loaded with carbs, loaded with sugar, loaded with processed foods. So take a break this year and get some nice fresh green beans, cook them in some healthy fat. You can roast them in the oven. You can saute them with a little bit of garlic, with a little bit of olive oil to give it some flavor. You can put a little bit of onion in there if you like. That will help. You can even soak them in a little bit of, say, vegetarian gravy. Not the actual gravy, I don't use it very often, but the stock. That's it. Forgetting my words. Another thing, if you eat bread rolls, then go for the wheat as opposed to the white, because the white is not a healthy alternative for you. Definitely not a healthy alternative. You always want to go for the wheat as opposed to the white, so that will help you as well. So those are just a few things. As we go through the month, I'll talk to you about a few other things. I just want to recap. So that was skip the full fat dips that we buy in the store. Make your own, make yogurt dips. You can be creative. Think about the kind that you buy in the store, the flavor that you get. And so you can always buy the whole food recipe experience. So sometimes you get a cucumber dip, buy a cucumber and blend it together. Onion dip, then get a small amount of onion and blend it together. So skip some of the alcoholic calories and make your wine into a spritzer. Something that was very popular as we were growing up that we used to do. And skip the dark meat and eat your white meat from the turkey. And skip the store-bought and, yep, go all out and make your own homemade dressing. And then skip the green bean casserole and get creative making some fresh green beans. And the last one was, be sure to eat some whole wheat rolls as opposed to white wheat. And if you've got a bakery that makes them, wonderful. You can even look online and see if you can find a recipe that's easy to make yourself. But definitely the whole wheat is the best option. So my plan is to try and give you some tips throughout the month that will help you as Christmas is coming. So if you have any questions, you want any kind of swap ideas, you have any questions coming up about what you can do instead over the holidays, just drop them in the comments line here or PM me. And the next time I do my live, which should be Wednesday, I'll address some of your questions. You can email me at lwadsworth, LWAD for dog, S for Sam, WORTH @verizon.net. You can pop comments here or go into this business page anytime to make some comments. So I want to see you get through the holidays without gaining all those pounds so that you're not going into the new year just dreading it because you've got so much weight to lose, or you feel bloated, or you feel bad because you've eaten so much. So let's have a good, healthy holiday together this year. Would love to answer some of your questions. And don't forget that on Monday, my fun Fit and Healthy Challenge starts. So this is a way that's going to teach you how to stay healthy throughout the holidays, not gain a pound, but go through the holidays feeling great, feeling energized. So I'd love to have you come join me. It's just going to be a fun 2-week challenge, nothing stressful. In fact, it's supposed to help you relieve the stress of the season. So I will drop the link in here. So if I could ask you a huge favor, if you would like or comment, whether you're watching the replay, I would love some comments. And if you would love to share this with somebody, especially if they're looking for a way to stay healthy and not gain weight through the holiday season, please share that with them so that they can get in on the fun with us for the holiday challenge. It's on my website at holistic-healthandwellness.com. And if you go to the free tab, it's the very first thing, the Fit and Festive Holiday Challenge. So I would love to have you there. As always, it's been a pleasure. And I thank you so much for being here with me. And if you have some special dishes that you love over the holiday season, please let me know and see if there is anything that I can come up with that will be a healthy alternative. I really appreciate you joining me today, and I will see you on the next one on Wednesday. Have an awesome weekend. Think about taking care of yourself, getting some relaxation and some rest in, because you need to take care of you. This is Lynn from Holistic Health and Wellness. Have an awesome day and an awesome weekend. Bye.